Hey everyone, welcome back to History Facts and News Digest.
Today, we're diving into a complex and long-standing question. Why does Iran have such tense relations with the United States and Israel? From political conflicts to ideological differences, let's explore the history and key events that have shaped Iran's challenging relationship with these two countries. To understand the rift between Iran and the USA, we have to go back to the 1950s. In 1953, the CIA, in partnership with the British, orchestrated a coup to overthrow Iran's democratically elected Prime Minister, Mossadegh. Mossadegh had nationalized Iran's oil industry, reducing Western control over Iran's resources. But the coup led to the reinstatement of Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, a pro-Western monarch, sparking deep resentment among Iranians who saw it as foreign interference in their sovereignty. In 1979, after years of political unrest, the Iranian Revolution overthrew the Shah and established the Islamic Republic under Ayatollah Khomeini. Khomeini's government opposed Western influence and saw the USA as a supporter of the ousted Shah. That same year, Iranian revolutionaries stormed the US embassy in Tehran, holding 52 American diplomats hostage for 444 days. This hostage crisis was a major blow to US-Iran relations and marked the beginning of decades of hostility. Iran's relationship with Israel is complicated by both political and religious factors. After the 1979 revolution, Iran officially opposed Israel's existence, identifying with the Palestinian cause. Iran's leadership views Israel as an occupying force in the Middle East and accuses it of oppressing Palestinian Muslims. On a religious level, Iran's Islamic leadership aligns with groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon, who actively resist Israel's influence in the region. This has led to indirect confrontations and proxy conflicts that have intensified their rivalry. In recent decades, Iran's nuclear program has become a major point of contention. The US and Israel are concerned about Iran's potential to develop nuclear weapons, fearing it could destabilize the region. This led to international sanctions against Iran and a historic agreement in 2015, the Iran nuclear deal, aimed at limiting Iran's nuclear activities. However, when the US withdrew from the deal in 2018, tensions flared again, leaving the future uncertain. Today, Iran's relationship with both the US and Israel remains strained. Conflicts of ideology, influence over the Middle East, and the ongoing nuclear issue continue to fuel hostilities. This animosity has impacted global politics, drawing in allies and shaping alliances across the world. So, to sum it up, the roots of Iran's distrust of the USA and Israel stem from historical events, ideological conflicts, and a fierce battle for influence in the Middle East. It's a complex story that continues to evolve, impacting millions of people. What do you think the future holds for these nations? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to History Facts and News Digest for more in-depth analysis and historical insights. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more historical insights and news recaps right here on History Facts and News Digest. See you next time.